as requested, we're going to do a day in the life on the farm out here. First thing this morning is we're taking these bad boys up to the shed and we're working out. Okay, so this is the gym setup I've made for myself. A little bit of everything.
Here comes the hot step, word em up. I'm the lyrical gangster, word em up. Pick up the crew in the area, word em up. Still love you like that, word em up. No, no, we don't die. Yes, we multiply. Anyone test will hear the fat lady sing. Act like you know, Rico. I know what Bo don't know. Touch them up and go. Uh-oh, ching-chang. Here comes the hot stepper.
Workout's done, now it's time to go cook up some breakfast. Ran out of eggs again, so I'm hitting the chicken pen. Farmer girl tings. So I just had 2 eggs and 2 multigrain pieces of toast for breakfast. I didn't get any footage of it because I ate it so quickly. But now I'm another day in the life of being quarantined. Taking the quads down to the track. Full kit, got the boots going, country fired as fuck.
Oh, I know why you're chasing all the headlights. Oh, 'cause you're always trying to get ahead of life. Baby, when you go, you know I'll be waiting on the other side. And I know it's cold, but if you stay there, I could keep you warm at night. Don't be a fool for the city nights. I know it's cool, but it's only light. Baby, with you, I could never lie. Chasing all the headlights. Oh, I can feel the beating of your heartache drum. Oh, don't know if I'm dreaming or if you have gone. Every time you go, hits me like a bullet from a golden gun. But if you stay, then I could give you all my love. Oh, and don't be a fool for the city nights.
So, yeah, flip the quad. That was a lot of fun. Got a few little scratches. But you get that on the big jobs.
Don't go chasing all the headlines.
Lunch is tuna, rice, and mustard. For my last session of the day, I'm doing a 5-kilometer jog. This is my running track along Dad's property, and I'm still in